Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Balaji Loganathan, and this is my new series on reviewing open source repositories and building Stack AI solutions using open source. In this video, I am going to show you a demo of how to build a personal notes AI app using a particular AI stack, which is all open source and everything is running locally with no API keys required. Let me show you the demo of the application. So the first question that I ask for the Personal Notes AI app is, what project ideas do I have? And as you can see, it searches the notes and provides an answer for the notes from the notes that I have. Let's ask it another question. What are my learning goals? Again, it will search the notes and then it would provide the summary of what are my learning goals. As you can see, there is an answer to the question that was asked pertaining to the notes. Let's ask it another question. So this is a question that is not part of the notes, which is what is my monthly budget, and this is to check if it is hallucinating or not, and if it's giving answers based upon the notes or not. So as you can see, it says I can't provide financial information or advice because it's not part of the notes. Now let us jump into the technical stack that's used for this particular demo. So I'm using a stack called as local zero cost AI agent stack, which is part of my repo verifier.dev, where I review open source projects. I stack them together and provide use cases or solutions based on open source availability. So for this particular AI app, I used three particular open source projects, which is Olama, Llama underscore index, and Python and Chroma for the Chromium. So all are reviewed independently, and the reviews are part of my reviews tab, where you can see the reviews of every single repo, and then I built the solution using the repos. So here, this is the GitHub repository and the README file, where it talks about the Personal Notes AI app and what it does, the example questions, the prerequisites, which is Python 3.12, Ollama, and the Llama 3.2 model that's been used. There's also a setup instruction for downloading this GitHub repository, which is simple, and I can show you how to do it in a couple of minutes. And the notes folder is mainly the place where the documents are stored, where all the notes for the documents are being read from for the LLM to use. Initially, you would have to run this python ingest.py file command for it to ingest the nodes. Once the nodes is ingested, you can run python agent.py and then start asking your questions in quotations. This is completely built on the local zero cost AI agent stack, which I showed you earlier, and all the stack and components are verified independently, like I mentioned earlier. You do not need to have any type of API keys, and this is completely low cost solution or zero cost solution. Now let me show you how you can run it on your local LLM. Let's create a test directory, and then we can use these commands. And as you can see, all the instructions and everything is present. Still packaging. This can take some time. So once it's completed, then you can, yeah. So we are there in the repo, and now we can ingest the command. We can ingest the nodes. Once the nodes is ingested, then we can start asking questions. So this is a very simple use case where anybody can install the application and then immediately start using it. So you have, so as you can see here, it says ingested 5 nodes from .nodes file, and then we can now start running the commands. We can ask this question, agent, or what did I decide in the meeting with the design team? And you can see it's answering these questions. It's searching the notes for an answer. You decided to go with the dark mode first approach for the dashboard redesign. So as you can see, it's given us a particular answer, and we are able to use our notes and search questions from our notes. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions related to how to use the Personal Notes AI app, you can reach out to me. This is my GitHub repo, and this is the website where I would be constantly providing reviews for all the solutions that we are having. Everything is open source and there is no API cost required over here for this particular demo that I just completed. Thank you. Have a good day.